The Statue of Liberty, an iconic symbol of freedom, offers visitors a fascinating experience inside its structure. Upon entering, guests can marvel at the intricate iron framework designed by Gustave Eiffel, the same engineer behind the Eiffel Tower. This remarkable interior engineering supports the statue's copper exterior and provides an unparalleled glimpse into 19th-century architectural brilliance. One of the highlights is the pedestal, which houses the Statue of Liberty Museum. Here, visitors can learn about the statue's history, its construction, and its symbolism. Exhibits include original sketches, models, and even the torch Lady Liberty held before its replacement. For those seeking a breathtaking view, the crown is a must-see. Accessible via a winding staircase of 162 steps, the crown offers panoramic vistas of New York Harbor and Manhattan. The experience is intimate and awe-inspiring, connecting visitors to the statue's grandeur. While climbing to the crown requires a reservation, the pedestal is more accessible and equally rewarding. The base also includes informative displays about Liberty Island's history. Exploring the Statue of Liberty from the inside allows visitors to appreciate its artistry and enduring significance as a beacon of freedom and opportunity. Don't miss this unforgettable adventure on your next visit. I want to invite you to like and share the video you're watching, and if you want to see more travel videos like it, definitely subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified every time we upload a new one. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching.